Welcome back to Chaleese Bakes Cakes. As you can see, I've got my reindeer antlers on today to match my reindeer sweater, which this is not an ugly Christmas sweater. I actually think it's cute, but I mean, who knows what everyone else thinks. But anyways, today I'm excited you're here because I am going to show you one of my favorite childhood recipes. My mom used to make these around the holidays every year for me, and I loved them growing up. And who am I kidding? She still makes them for me, and I still love them. We are gonna make popcorn balls today. And ooh, it's such a good recipe, and I think you guys are gonna love it. It's not one that calls for the bagged popcorn that you throw in the microwave, because I know some recipes call for that. This one, we actually have to pop our own popcorn to achieve these yummy popcorn balls. We also need sugar, vanilla, we need honey, evaporated milk, and I've got some food coloring because we're gonna make them festive and Christmassy. We also have parchment paper to put them on when we're finished. I am so excited you're here, and I'm so excited to share my favorite childhood recipe with you guys today. So I'm gonna walk you through it, and let's do this.
To start, pop 1.5 cups of popcorn. And put 1 stick of butter and a cup of honey. Add 2 cups of sugar and a teaspoon of salt. Then add our evaporated milk. Stir and combine. Keep the mixture on medium heat and keep stirring until it comes to a boil. As you can see, it's starting to come to a boil here. Keep stirring. Now it's at a full boil. Keep stirring for 12 to 15 minutes. When the mixture is ready, it will turn an amber color. Take it off the heat, add vanilla and your food coloring. We're using green to make it festive. Dump your mixture over your popcorn. Combine the mixture into the popcorn. Once it's combined, run your hands under cold water, put your hands in the bowl, and form popcorn balls. Keep running your hands under the water because it keeps you from burning your hands as you form these popcorn balls. Repeat until all of the popcorn is made into popcorn balls.
If I could eat this entire plate right now, I would. I really want to. I love these popcorn balls, and I hope that if you guys make them at home, they become a fun family tradition for you guys as well. They're also really good neighbor gifts, and your neighbors, they'll thank you. Also, a few tips today. I made these popcorn balls with 1.5 cup of popcorn. I like mine a little bit more gooey. If you guys like not quite as gooey, I would use 2 cups of popcorn. Thank you guys for following along as I shared my family recipe with you today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, push that button, follow me on Instagram at Chaleese Bakes Cakes, and have an awesome day, guys.